Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today you will learn something very useful and very simple. Today's topic is how to talk about your job in English. Easy and real life examples. Do you feel nervous when some asks you, what do you do? In this lesson, you will learn easy English sentences to talk about your job with confidence. Say with me. Hi, I am Sara. Welcome back to your favorite place to learn simple, real English. I am so happy you are here. Take a deep breath, relax. Today, I will make job English super easy for you. Today, I will take you how to talk about your job in English. This is very important in daily life. You use it when you meet new people. You use it in interviews. You use it with friends. Example: I am a teacher. I work in a shop. Very simple, and today you will learn it all. Sentence number 1. I am a. Tell your job simply. Example: I am a driver. Say it with me slowly. I am a driver. Sentence number 2. I work as a. Meaning, use this for your job title. Example: I work as a nurse. Repeat after me. I work as a nurse. Sentence number 3. I work in. Meaning, use this for a place or field. Example: I work in a hospital. I work in it. Say it with me. I work in a hospital. Sentence number 4. I work at. Meaning, use for a company name. Example: I work at ABC company. Repeat after me. I work at ABC company. Sentence number 5. I am looking for a job. I am looking for a job, meaning you don't have a job now, but you want one. Example: I am looking for a job in marketing. Say it with me. I am looking for a job. Sentence number 6. I am self-employed. Meaning, you work for yourself. Example: I am self-employed. I run my own business. Repeat after me. I am self-employed. Sentence number 7. I work from home. Meaning, you do your job at home. Example: I work from home on my computer. Say it with me. I work from home. Sentence number 8. My job is. Meaning, used to describe what you do. Example: my job to help customers. Repeat after me. My job is to help customers. Okay, now it's your turn. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I am a student. I work in a shop. I work from home. Great. Again, a little faster. I am a student. I work in a shop. I work from home. Pause and practice. Pause the video and say your own job sentence. Go on, try it now. Say this quickly with me. I am a teacher. I work as a chef. I work at a bank. Nice, you are doing great. Listen to me. You are doing amazing. Your English is getting better right now. Mistakes are okay. Mistakes mean you are learning. Don't be shy. Your voice matters and you can speak English with confidence. Write one simple sentences in the comments. I work as a dash or I am a dash. I will read your comment. If this lesson helped you, give this video a like. If really support the channel and helps more learners just like you. And if you want more easily English lessons, don't forget to subscribe. You did great today. I am proud of you. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye bye, friends.